Async versus sync is the concept that separates beginner JavaScript developers from pros. Let me make this crystal clear. Imagine you're at a restaurant. Synchronous is like a restaurant with one chef who does everything in order. He takes your order, cooks your meal completely, serves it, then moves to the next customer. If your meal takes 30 minutes, everyone behind you is stuck waiting. That's synchronous, one thing at a time, in order, blocking everything else. Asynchronous is like a smart restaurant with multiple chefs. You order, they start cooking, but while your steak is grilling, they take other orders. Start other meals, do multiple things at once. When your steak is done, they bring it to you. No one's blocked. That's async, non-blocking, multitasking magic. In JavaScript, synchronous code runs line by line, top to bottom. Line 1 finishes, then line 2, then line 3. Simple, predictable, but slow when you're waiting for things. Here's the problem. What if line 2 is fetching data from a server? That could take 3 seconds. With synchronous code, your entire app freezes for 3 seconds. The screen is frozen, buttons don't work, users think it crashed. Terrible experience. That's where async saves the day. You tell JavaScript, hey, start fetching that data, but don't wait for it. Keep running the rest of the code. When the data arrives, then handle it. Your app stays responsive. Users stay happy. Real example. When you scroll through Twitter, images load async. The text appears instantly. Images pop in as they download. If it was synchronous, you'd stare at a blank screen until every image loaded. That could be 30 seconds. Nobody would use Twitter. JavaScript has 3 main ways to handle async: callbacks, promises, and async await. Callbacks are the old school way. Pass a function that runs when the task completes. Promises are cleaner. They represent a value that will exist in the future. Async await is the modern, cleanest way. It makes async code look synchronous. Here's what blows people's minds. JavaScript is single-threaded, one thread, one call stack, but it handles async with the event loop, a genius system that manages async operations in the background while your main code keeps running. It's like a super-efficient task manager juggling everything. Common async operations: fetching data from APIs, reading files, setting timers, database queries, anything that takes time and you don't want to block your code. Pro mistake to avoid: don't mix sync and async badly. If you need data from an async operation, you must wait for it with a wait or dot then. Otherwise, you'll try using data that doesn't exist yet. Classic beginner bug. Master async and you'll build apps that feel fast and responsive. Ignore it and your apps will feel laggy and broken. Want to see async await code examples and avoid common pitfalls? Comment async below. Follow for more JavaScript concepts that level up your skills.